people? Can you able to see the screen? Fine. Silence everyone. Let's start the class, guys. Right, good morning to you all. Let's see what we had done yesterday. This is not yours, don't worry. Fine, let's. So yesterday we had done with what is one-to-one application, right or not? Fine, one-to-one we had completed. In that one-to-one, guys, we had seen. Everybody understand? In that one-to-one we had seen, we had created one class known as, everybody concentrate here, class known as questions. कर लो पहले, तुम्हें लोग कर लो. Shall I start now? हो गया तुम लोगों का बात? चलो, let's. Now, question is there. After that, we had created here public int. Question ID is there or ID is there, and we had created what, guys, here? First of all, tell me. ID will be there at the rate generated value strategy equals to generated type dot auto will be there, and after that we had written colon at the rate what colon, and the colon will be as name equals to question ID, something like that we had given. Question ID is there. Okay, now before that we had created this class as what, guys? Everybody concentrate, lots of new topic will be there today. So we had created the class as what, guys? Entity, right? Entity. We had created the class as what? Table. Name, we had named this as question data. Yeah. Question values or data values. I hope values we had given. And for setter getter and all those things, we had given what? At the rate data here. The next value which we had taken is what, guys? Public string, right? Public string. Private we had taken. Okay. Private is there. Now we had written here private string. Private string. क्या था? Questions. Questions are there, right? Now the next one is right now. Right now we had not taken anything. We'll take it in future, right? And after that, this is a class we had created for the purpose, right? And the same in the parallel way, we had created one more class which is known as which class, guys? Answers, right? So in the answers class, same thing we had done. We had created at the rate entity. Everybody understand? Once it will be completed, the things will be easy for you. The visualization is very important. Now name equals to, we had written what, guys? Answer values we had written. Okay. After that answer values, and we are going to write at the rate data will be there, and then we are writing here class and the answers are there. Great. Answer. Now in this first of all we had written at the rate ID, right? At the rate ID, at the rate generated value strategy equals to generated type auto, generated type dot auto, right? And then we are writing here at the rate what guys? Column will be there. Inside this column we had written name equals to, what is that guys? Answer ID, right? Name equals to answer ID. Answer ID will be there. If you will be absent for 2 days and if you will come for 1 day and you are expecting that you will understand the class, sorry. The things will getting hard day by day for you. Right? If you are not coming in the class, at least see the notes and try to practice by its own. Then only you can understand, otherwise there is no any other way. So we had created one class as generated. Now what happened guys? These two Hibernate will create the table or not? Tell me. Tell me, Hibernate will create the table for these two class or not? Okay. Now configuration and all those things are available, definitely available here. Now if we go here and if we write here main method, inside the main method guys, or inside the user class, suppose we had seen the example of MCQ generator, right? Where we are giving multiple questions and multiple answers here, and per question indicate how many answers? 1 answers. Now MCQ generators are there, and inside it we have a main method guys, right? Main method is there. And inside this main method, all the configurations will be there, right? All the configurations should be there. Session factory will be there, right? Session factory will be there. Session will be there. And transaction will be there. Session is a class or interface. Then how the object will be created? How the object will be created? By using session factory, we are writing open session. Open session is one factory method which will implement the object, right? Remember these things. That's why I told you to study by your own. This is a very complicated topic, guys. I'm literally telling you this mapping is very, very complicated. And very rarely you will understand this, even though from the YouTubes also, even though from the class also. It's very complicated one. That's why I'm telling you. Whatever the toughest thing in the whole Spring, you will learn only 2 things. Spring security and Spring mapping. This one, mapping. These are the only toughest. Security, why I'm telling you the toughest concept? Because they have that many methods that you will not able to remember the method's name unless daily use is not there. Very, very tough methods are there. Authentication, role based, right? Domain based. But concept is not tough. Remembering method and using method at the appropriate place is the tough thing in Spring Security. In the same manner, in relational mapping, using the one-to-one and one-to-many at exact place is the toughest thing. Concept is not tough, right? So please concentrate. Please practice these things once by your own. Exception will come. Very good for you. Right? Now understand this. Now we had written how many questions? Multiple questions are there, right? Yeah, multiple questions are there. And for multiple questions, we have written multiple answers or not? Yes, we had written what? Multiple answers will be there, right? Answers will be there. And after that, now what we are doing? We are setting the questions with the appropriate answer or not? With the exact answer or not, right? Exact answers we are setting here, right? We have done that. The next what we are doing guys, right? After that we are going to store or save the question as well as answers. That's what missing terms in your mind. Current session, current session dot persist of. Are we saving the questions, guys? Are we saving the questions? Yes. In the same manner, right now, see here, current session dot persist of. Are we saving the answers or not? Now questions have the answers or not, guys? Yes. Then we should have to write one variable here or not? Which variable we are writing? Private answers, right? Answers, and what is that? Answers, right? Answers we are writing inside the questions. Now one class is using the other class functionality, and other class is also a entity or a table in the database, right? Then tell me, can we write here @embeddable? What is the drawback of @embeddable? It can only work with analyzing these data to insert it inside this class or not. We cannot create the table, or we cannot write @entity or table with embedded annotations. That's why we have to use which annotation, guys? Right? One question have one answer, na? That's why we are writing what? 1 to 1. Now, this 1 to 1 indicate which place. This is the important one. This 1 to 1 indicated at which place, guys? Answer level, right? Answer level means it is indicating right now. It is indicating that this one have one answer here, right? One answer here. The question class like answer. क्या बोलते उसको? Reference variable is 1 to 1 means right now one question have one answer set here, right? Okay, now we are done with this one, right? Now based on that, what will happen? Based on that, if I generate the result, guys, we'll get the result as what? Tell me. We'll get the result as what? Chalo batao. One table will be created or not? How many table will be created? 1 or 2? Table will be created. Exactly. 2 table will be created. Concentrate here. 2 table will be created. Now I'm asking you, then give me the answer. Right now, suppose this is question value. Right? This is question value. Question value is there. And this is answer value is there. Right? Answer value is there. Answer value is there. Now tell me, inside this question value, see this program and tell me how many columns will be created. See this program and tell me how many columns will be created. Three. Are you sure 3? Pakka? Okay. Now we had created 3. Now right? Now tell me here. Right now what it will create, guys? Question ID. Right? Question ID will be there. The next one. Right? Questions will be there. Questions will be there. And the next one, answer ID. Answer ID, answer or foreign key. Answer ID as what, guys? Foreign key. What is the use of foreign key? Right? Always the foreign key is of what type, guys? Primary type or not? It will make a relation between table or not? And how this table will be joined from one place to another place? How this table right now, whatever the table we are seeing here, right? These have the relation here. Now, how this relation will be stabilized, guys? Tell me. This particular, everybody understand? This particular foreign key only indicate. Okay, wait. This thing is important for you. Now I'm writing here what, guys? Answer ID, and I'm writing here what? Answers. Any other things will be there in this table? No. Now what will happen when you are writing this answer ID is going here or not? Yes. Right now you can see, guys, everybody concentrate. Right now you can see this is primary key. This is primary key. This is primary key. Right? This is also a primary key or not? Yes, this is a primary key. This is also a primary key. Right? Now, foreign key will stabilize the relation between one table to another table by adding the foreign key of one place, one table to another table right now. This foreign key always indicate the primary key of another table now. Okay. Now suppose the question ID right now is 1. Right, some question is there, some ABC question will be there, and right now the next question is 2, right? 2 having some question as DEF, and it is having 3, right? 3 having the question as XYZ. Suppose this as the question here, question 1. Question 1 is there, right? And this have the question 2 is there. Question 2 is there. Question 2 is there, and this have what, guys? Question 3 is there. Everybody concentrate. Sir, why you are spending that much time on this place? Data JPA will be completed in 5 to 6 days only if you have this idea. Otherwise, you guys will struggle in data JPA, because data JPA totally what data JPA is nothing, guys. You should not have to write these terms first of all, right? In data JPA, just only one class. I will tell you all those things, but the relational table is very complicated. That's why I'm making a habit of giving you the exact content. Now see what will happen here. Now primary key is there, right? Here we have written here answer 1 is there, right? 2 is there, 3 is there. This this is the answer for question 2. Question 2. Answer for, right? Answer for question 2. Question 2. Right? Everybody concentrate. This is the answer for question 1. This is the answer for question 1, right? And this is the answer for question 3. Now, right now we had set it by our own or not. You can see setting the question with the exact answer. Then what will happen? The question is set here, but what about the table? Then Hibernate will do what? When you are going to write 1 to 1 here, 1 to 1 here, when you are going to write 1 to 1 here, Hibernate will create which key? Foreign key, which is taking the primary key of another table, and it will add the appropriate answer here. So the first question answer is what, guys? 2. The second question answer is what, guys? 1. Second question answer is 1. And the third question answer is what, guys? 3. This 213, right now 213 indicate the primary key of another table or not? Yes. That's how it is going to represent. Yesterday we had seen that, right? Now the issue is suppose you are finding out this is the backend process. These all are the backend code, right? Now, suppose user is selecting some answer. Understand, user had selected some answer, and user will get some wrong result for some mismatch issue. With some mismatch issue. This is mismatch issue. I had said the answer something, and while actually adding the answer, I had given something wrong. Answer will be wrong, coming wrong or not, guys? Yes. Then the answer will be wrong. How you can cross verify? Why the question is coming? This is the analyzation question, guys. Why I'm telling you? Because you can keep this project in your resume also. Slowly you can add these things. I'd work on a platform application building. From the Claude code or somewhere you can create one project where backend process you can follow up. I will tell you, don't worry. 2-3 more process are there. I will tell you on that, which is up to your level, and make this as a project also as per your wish. Right? Hold on. This is good project for you. Like academic project you can give. Right? That you had worked in your academy in this project here. Right? Hold on. And remove the myth from your mind that when the microservices will complete it, then only you will go for interview. Once I will start the Spring Boot from tomorrow onwards, right? You can 1 week or 2 week. After that, you can apply. right? Because they will ask Spring Boot, you will get the idea slowly. Because if you apply in a day, 10 to, in a company like, let me give you the idea how to apply also. It's fine. Go to the LinkedIn, guys. Everybody see, hold on. Go to the LinkedIn. Don't apply from that place. Right? Take the company name. Take the company name. See the requirement. Directly go to the careers of that company. Directly go to the careers for that company. Don't apply from LinkedIn. They kept it as that place only. Their database is different. Right? Very rarely from the LinkedIn the database will be taken. That's why every day you are going on LinkedIn and you are applying, you are not getting any calls because of the reason. First reason is, I'm telling you, reference. सबसे बड़ा reason. Reference is eating the things. है ना? भाई भतीजा सब आ जाता है. Right? Now, but it's not like you can say that suppose the higher grade persons are available at the company because of their experience and because of their way of handling the terms, they are at the higher level. Untalented people also entered because they have at the higher rank. ये मेरा भाई है, रख लो. ये मेरे मौसी का फूफा का लड़का का इसका उसका सब रख लो. The people who are talented there, if they don't have the reference, 1,000 times talented than that person is jobless. It's all about the luck. So we should not have to blame our luck, and we should not have to blame anything. Everything is in our hand. Reference बनाओ, जुगाड़ लगाओ. Right? If the things is not getting clear with straight way, महाभारत rule है यार. Right? Shri Krishna told us this. If the first, always go in the straight path. I'm not telling you to go directly here. First, always try, 100% try your mind to go in the straight path. And then, when the path is not getting some place, build your own path. We should not have to regret, अरे यार मेरी फूटी किस्मत. नहीं. Build yours. And now how you will build, you have the capability. Understand? जुगाड़ लगाओ. Reference. Find out the references. Contact with the persons. Should not stay, listen, should not stay below the power. Always walk with power. Are you understanding? If you stay below the power, you will be servant. Walk with power. Don't go beyond the power. Don't stay back with the power. Always stay parallel to the power, guys. तुम mature हो तो समझ सकते. Right? Let's see. So go to the careers. Right? Go to the careers, guys. Online people, are you listening? Right? Go to the careers, guys. Find out the requirement. Find the requirements. Everybody concentrate. Find the requirements. Go to the HR mail. You can find out, or company official mail. HR mail, how should we there? It's not possible. Official mail is there. In that official mail, send your resume where match the skill first of all. Understand, this is very important, right? Okay, first of all, in Naukri.com, go for each and every company for fresher if it is available. Find out the skills and match the resume with with your skills. Is the skills is matching with your resume skills or not? If the skills are not matching, add that in your resume. Add that in your resume, the skills, and then make your resume very stronger with the help of skills, with the help of projects. पूरा कहानी नहीं लिखना है. Make it short and simple. Project. Right? I will tell you how to create a resume also in one day, half an hour class on Sunday. Right? After completing the tools, right? One tool I'm planning of JUnity in this Sunday right now. Right? If it is possible, वैसे हालत तो नहीं है, but if it is possible, then I will tell you how to build the resume also for half an hour, where you will get the idea and you will get the call. ये ATC ये सब कुछ नहीं होता है. क्या होता है उसको? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? ATC what? ATS. हमें आर्मी का नाम लेने लगा. है ATS. स्कोर कोई कुछ फायदा नहीं. 90%, 80% तुम्हारे resume, it will be there in your resume only. ATS score will be 80, sir. My ATS resume ATS score is 90, sir. It will stay there only, sir. Right? All the resume, everybody understand. There is a keyword for fetching your data or finding your resume is this one. A number of projects. They are not seeing your academy directly. For fresher, that's 60%. 70% criteria is there. Skills, key skill. AI is creating some skills right now. They are finding out the resume for saving the time based on few rules. 60% above skills project. Find out the resume, put it in one place. Among them, who are from different places. Means colleges. Any IIT and NITN, put it in different. Regular, put it in different. In regular, who are the most skillful person? Fetch out. And then the calls will be there. And it's all about the skills, guys, right now. That's why how you can manage the skills in the Naukri.com. If you will go inside the Naukri.com, you can find out the skills. A lot of skills are there. How the skills will be find out? Right? Let's see. क्या मेरे पास है क्या? If is there, let me check. है ना? See here. Now you can see here, everybody. Companies are there right now. You can see companies are there. Where is the company? Where is the company? Companies are there, right? Top ITs companies will be there. See here, guys. Everybody concentrate. Now, top ITs companies are there. Now, what you have to do when you are going here, guys? When you are going here, you can see these are the skills. These are the skills. Match the skills. What is the not there in your resume? Right? 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 You can see match the skills. It's all about the AI right now. Right now it is, they are hiring for the AI things. Right? Don't worry about it. Lots of companies are there. Right? Company reviews. Companies. Okay. ये सब स्किल तुम्हारे, अरे भाई ये स्किल का मतलब ये सब मत डाल देना. Relevant skill as for your, right? Suppose here invite अभी नहीं चाहिए भाई, बाद में बताऊंगा. Right? Some Java will be there. Java. backend developer, backend development, backend Java developer. Check it. You can see. Check out, guys. Right? Don't worry. Right now, don't see about this thing. This is my radar. It's not your radar. This is my radar. It is fetching here. Right? Everybody understand here. ये जाना भाई. You can see. Right? You can see here. Spring Boot, Hibernate, Core Java skills. Right? Java development, Hibernate. Right? You can see. Spring Boot, Docker, Kubernetes, Maven. Right? Multi-threading, design pattern, data structure, algorithm, debugging, core. REST, CSS, web application, JSP, Java development, Hibernate backend. See here why I am teaching you the Hibernate. Reason is there. Reason is there. 4 दिन से पढ़ा रहे सर, 10 दिन से पढ़ा रहे सर, जिंदगी भर यूज होगा सर. That's why I'm teaching you this one in a short way. Now you can see here AWS, RDBMS, Java 8, Spring Boot, AWS, Jenkins, NoSQL, Git. Right? So these are the skills. I'm talking about these skills, guys. Now, when you are done with these skills, okay, everybody concentrate here. When you are done with these skills, everybody concentrate here. Right? When you are done with these skills, 5 to 8 year experience, Arey yaar, Abhishek, it's mine, Baba. I had written there, it's mine, it's not for you. A 5 to 8 year experience also, these same concepts are there, but they are adding the advanced versions, real-time work. With you guys, they will ask you the definitions. Okay, now let's see guys here. Now, add the skills, send your resume to the official mail by going to the career page and apply it for daily basis. At least in a day, 10 to 15 resume, try 10 to 15 place in the career, try to apply. Suppose in 20 days, almost 20 into 10, how much? 200, less than that, suppose 150. In 150 also, some recruiter will notice. In 20 days, suppose you are staying in Amirpet in 20 days and you are not getting any call. Because of these practice, maybe you will get 1 or 2 calls. Who knows that 1 and 2 calls is only for you? So if you don't have the idea, follow this process, right? Try and be ready for the interview purpose. So this is all about the how you can get a calls. चलो try करना ठीक है बताना मेरे को फिर resume. So we had done with. Now understand here guys. Now the next thing is suppose some mismatch issue will be there. Let's come back here. Divert हो जाता है कभी-कभी, but this divert things are good for your knowledge. This is not time pass. Right? Now let's see. Now, right now, what will happen? Only one will be there. Suppose a mismatch answer will be mismatch, guys. How you can cross verify? Some answer will be mismatch. How can you cross verify? Right now, suppose the answer answer is exact here. For question right now, for answer ID 1 is for question 2. But here I had mismatched the things. How you can cross verify? Can you cross verify? No. I should have to cross verify only when the question will be added there. Na? See here what I'm trying to tell you. Suppose right now answer ID is 1. Answer ID is 1. This one answer ID is for answer for which question? Question number 2. Answer ID is how much? 2. This answer ID 2 is the answer of which number question? Question number 1. It is there. It is there. Now suppose you mismatch in this place. Sir, how I will mismatch? This will created by Hibernate, right? when I will write 1 to 1. This is created by Hibernate. Okay. Now suppose you had mismatched some terms while setting the answers. While setting the answer, if you mismatch, you are setting the answers. No? These things created by the Hibernate only. This foreign key when you are writing 1 to 1. But you by yourself, manual process will have some issue. Then how you can cross verify? That's why suppose if the both side will be there with the same type of key, here answer key is there, right? And in this place for the cross verification, if I will write here what guys, question ID as which key, foreign key, then I can give it here that the first question answer right now, this is for question number 2. Are yaar, this answer 2 is the answer for question number what? Question number 1 na? Right? Sorry. अच्छा 2 लिख दिया क्या? Sorry. This is for what guys? This is for 1. Everybody consider this is for 1. Right? Now this is for what? This is for आंसर किसके लिए? क्वेश्चन, अच्छा ये 2 के लिए था क्या? सही तो मैं लिखा था. Fine. This is for question number what guys? 2. Okay, fine. Now right now this is for whom guys? 1, and this is for 3. Now right now if some mismatch happen in this place, we can cross verify through this or not? Yes. Now tell me who will create this? Okay, who had created this one? Hibernate na? In the same manner this thing is also created by who? Or if I need, okay, tell me how this foreign key will be created by Hibernate when we are writing here 1 to 1 na? In the same manner, how it will create foreign key guys? When we have to write here, everybody concentrate. When we have to write here the same thing, like here, everybody concentrate. Right? Private questions. And what is that? Questions is there or not? Yes, questions are there. Now here, if I give the annotation as which annotation guys? At the rate 1 to 1 means from this side also you are giving the right, processing the answer here. Means everybody understand, one question have one answer and one answer have one question. One question have one answer. In the same way, one answer have what guys? One question here. Now this will indicate indirectly, this will indicate, everybody concentrate. This indicate right, this indicate here, right, one question here, right, this indicate one question. So these are interlinked. Now no chance of getting the mistake. If some mismatch thing will be there, it will be cross verify from this place also. Right? As a result, never ever you will get any wrong result terms until unless human will not commit mistake. Right? The reason of writing 1 to 1, 1 to many, so 1 to 1 is for cross verifying the exact result from one place to another place. Okay. Now what will happen? Let's see the practical view of this one. Okay, then you will understand. Without this, practically you cannot understand this one. Okay, so this is our yesterday class. Yes, let's see. So we had created yesterday one question class in the same manner, and question have one answer or not? Yes, that's why we had written which annotation? 1 to 1. In the same way, right now we are going for the answers, guys. When we are going for the answers, tell me right now in answers, right, these are the answers here, and the MCQ platform, let's go for the MCQ platform here, right? Let's go for the MCQ platform here, right? Aaj century kaise ho gaya? Right? Now let's see, we are setting the questions here, right? We are setting the question. Now these are the questions set by me or not? Right? Question 1 have answer 2, question 2 have answer 1. These things are set by me, right? Now I had saved the question, I had saved the answer also, and we are trying to fetch the answer here, right? We are trying to fetch the answer, right? Let's go here and let's make this as create and drop, right? Let's go here, guys, and first of all SQL also, no? Okay, let's open the SQL here. Bhai ja upar ja. SQL there. Connect system manager. Right now I'm writing here. Select star from. क्या था भाई? Question values, right? Huh? We had drop it, right? Chalo, let's see. Now let's see guys here. Now let's go here and let's run the application and let's write it. Now when we are going to run this application, right? Hold on. Fine. You can see here right now. Answer we are getting Hibernate ORM and all those answer we are getting here. Now see here, guys. We are going for this place. Let's go for our SQL. कहाँ गया? SQL is there. Now select star from question value. Sorry. हैं? क्यों? Our table name is right here. अच्छा, values I had written. क्या था भाई इसके लिए सेट करने के लिए यार? अरे होगा कल. Yesterday's chat will be there. Wait a minute guys, just a minute. बहुत इसमें पढ़ाने में नौटंकी है भाई. कहाँ गया? मर गया. This one. This is there, right? नहीं. What was that, guys? Answer ID. Question is also there. This one, na? This one, na? Are you sure? No, I'm not sure, sir. Arey, just a minute, yaar. Wait a minute. It will be very critical if you will not understand this if I will not write. Select star from. Select star from what, guys? Everybody see. Select star from questions value. Okay. Select star from question value. In the same manner, if we go for the answer, irritating process for me also. Don't worry. Values. Right. Okay, let's Control Shift V, done. Let's see, guys. So select star from let's write here. First of all, select star from the final step, guys. Select star from question value. Question value is there. So question value is there. Everybody understand? Value is there. V small or capital tha yaar? Small, right? Question value is there. Okay. Now select star from what is that? Answer value is there. Everybody understand? Answer value is there, right? So we have right now. You can see in this place, guys. We have right now one foreign key. What is the foreign key? Answer ID. The foreign key is in which place? Question. Who is creating this answer ID? Hibernate. When the Hibernate is creating, when you are writing, देख लो भाई मोबाइल में तो 8 बजे आते हो और अभी मोबाइल देख रहे हो। जो बड़ा शाहजहां तो है ही नहीं यार। लोग खत्म कर देते हो यार। तो tell me guys, tell me. Today I'm seriously, I'm not getting interest on, I don't know why see you guys, you can see me right now. I'm not getting interest by seeing your faces and all those, I don't know why. Some vibe is different today. कुछ तो है, तुम लोग आज सो के नहीं आए हो या तुम लोग का माइंडसेट सही नहीं है आज। वो तो मेरा है, वो तुम लोग है। Now tell me guys, answer ID. This answer ID is what? Chalo, chalo, fast. Give me the answer. This answer ID is what? Foreign key. Okay, who will create this foreign key? When Hibernate will create the foreign key? When you write the annotation what guys? 1 to 1. Here, are you see any foreign key right now? Okay, let's go to our programming terms guys. Let's go to our programming term. Everybody concentrate here. Let's go to our programming term and let's write here. Everybody concentrate. Let's write here private, and what is that? Question. And there is one question. Now we are cross verifying that one answer also have one question here. So I'm writing here what? At the rate, column will be there, right? At the rate column will be there, right? And we are writing here, no, column nahi. Let's write here what? At the rate 1 to 1, right? At the rate 1 to 1. At the rate 1 to 1. Everybody understand? At the rate 1 to 1 will be there. Okay, now what will happen? One answer have one question or not? Yes. And one question have one answer or not? Now tell me, in the table, both the table have the foreign key or not? Okay, let's run the application guys and let's see. Concentrate. Let's run the application and let's see. Let's see. Right, let's go to the application here. I mean, there's a table here, and let's see. Question value it will be as it is. You can see the question value is as it is, having one foreign key of answer ID, question ID, question. But now when we are going for the answer here, now you see previously the answer having how many things guys? One, only this one. Answer having only answer ID and answers now. But because of 1 to 1, you can see here. My mistake. We had not set the question here as we had set the answer. You can see question is there, question is there, question is there. Answer is there. We had set the answer. Okay. Now in the question we are setting the answer or not? In the same manner in the answer we have to set the questions or not? Okay. Now let's go guys. Answer 1 dot set question and answer question 2 is there. Okay. Now answer 2 dot set question, right? You can see acha wo ye mistake aa gaya, you will not commit the mistake now, right? So question will be there what? Question 1. Okay. Answer 3 dot what is that? Set question of what is that? Question 3. Okay, let's run the program guys and check out now it will come or not. Right, let's see. Yeah, let's go for the our SQL table. Online people, where are you guys? See here. Let's go to this place. Now let's go for question value. Question value have the same thing. Now let's go for the answer value. Right? Answer value also have the question ID or not? You can see. Question ID. As a foreign key is there or not? Now both will be cross-verified. Now the issue is right now, maybe the reason you can say that maybe in the both place if we write, there will create confusion or the database table will be going to become a little large. But I need both cross verifications there. In the also I need answer, right? In the answer also I need question. These verifications are there, but explicitly we have to write all those things. I need that it should be only one place. Suppose right now you are also feeling confusion or not? Yes, because in both the place is there. How you are going to cross verify? How many things you are going to cross verify? You need this same approach will be there, which will cross verify the things in both of the side, as well as it will stay in only one place. Again, I am speaking what I'm trying to tell you. Here question answer ID as a foreign key or not? Yes. Here question ID as a foreign key or not? Yes. Now both having the interconnection or not? Yes. Now the issue is right now, maybe you will get confused while you are going to see the table. But this is important also, because the cross verification happened from both the place. But the issue is table is becoming a little bit lengthy and confused. So I need this both side bidirectional process. Previously we are using which direction? One direction. Right now we are doing which one? Bidirectional. I need this bidirectional process, as well as I need only one place the things will be shown. That's why right now everybody understand what we can use, right? Instead of writing the foreign key in both the table, we can keep it in one place only by writing here. Everybody understand? By writing here, let's go for the question place, right? Anywhere you can want. Where you want, suppose in the question or in the answer you want. So I'm going for the question here. I'm going for which class, guys? Answer class. Sorry, I'm going for answer class. I'm going to write here known as mapped by. One to one have one functionality which is mapped by, and this mapped by what we are going to write here? Tell me, mapped by answer. And this answer name which you are giving should be the same name as this reference variable name. If you mismatch the name, guys, you will get issue. I will show you, right? Mapped by answer. Now you can see I'm going to run the program again and see the database structure, right? See the database scenarios, guys. Let's run the program here and see the database scenarios. Everybody. One-to-one bidirectional I need, but I need both. In the both table it will not show. I need bidirectional. What I tell? Bidirectional means in both the side we have to write one-to-one, na? But I need in the table the column will be not visible, which will create confusion. That's why we had written what? Mapped by. Now you can see, guys, let's go for the table and see the view now. Everybody concentrate, see the view now. Now let's go to the table here. Compare it. Previously we have, in the both classes we have foreign key. Now let's go for the question here. Question value. Let's run it. Now you can see question value have what, guys? Answer ID, question ID. Now I am writing here what? Answer ID. See here. See here right now. What will happen right now? Only bidirectional is there. Both place the verification is there. But right now the foreign key is created in how many table? Only one table, which will remove the confusion. Again I'm telling, previously you will get confused. Arey kiska answer kya hai? Right? Who is whom answer? You will confuse. Hold on. Let me summarize it. Then it will be in your head. If, see here, through this programming, see. Here in this earlier version, answer ID as a foreign key or not? Answer as a foreign key or not? When it is creating answer as a foreign key, when we write @1-to-1, in which class, guys? Question. Then this foreign key will be created. Now it is one directional or bidirectional? One directional. This is one directional or not? Yes. Now we thought both sides, let's cross verify it. That's why we had attempted which type of things? Right? We had attempted which type of thing? Bidirectional. We had attempted bidirectional. These two. We had attempted the bidirectional. where both side we had written 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Now cross verification is there. But the issue will raise that right now both having the foreign key. This class also have the foreign key, this class also have the foreign key. But generally the foreign key should stabilize the relation between one table. Na? If it is in one place, then that is sufficient. Right? But here we are written in both the table for cross verification. I don't need the foreign key in both the place. That's why we are using what, guys? Mapped by. When we had written mapped by, see, only the foreign key is available at which place, guys? Question, is the foreign key available at answer? No. But you can see here program here. Everybody see the program here. Now, in the program also, you can check out question is there. Question having 1 to 1, right? Question having one answer, right? And answer also having one question. But this 1 to 1 will not create now foreign key. It will map with the answer. It will map with the answer. Again, just understand. This mapped by remove the confusion of creating foreign key in both the table. Right? Okay, let me write it. This mapped by remove the drawback, or you can say that confusion of foreign key, right? For both the table, it will create only one foreign key. Everybody understand? One foreign key, right? It will create only one foreign key, as well as able to perform bi-directional process also. Bi-directional process as well. This will do. Okay, sir. Sir, what will happen if I remove mapped by from this place? Everybody concentrate. I'm removing mapped by from this place. Now tell me, I'm going to write mapped by in this place, guys. Everybody, here, see. I'm writing here what, guys? Mapped by. Now I'm writing here what? This mapped by having the same name as this one or not? Yes. Now see, if I am doing some mistake, okay, first of all, let's see. After that, I will show you the mistake. Okay, now tell me where the foreign key will be created. In question or in answer? In the question or is in answer? Okay, let's run the program and check out. This is the important thing which you have to understand. These are the interview questions. That where the foreign key will be created. How? Right? You should have to analyze it. Everybody concentrate. Now let's go for this place, guys. Everybody concentrate. Let's go for this place. Now let's go for question ID. Right? Question value. Now question value have the foreign key. Now let's go for the answer value. Answer value have the foreign key? Yes. Means both side verification is there, but the foreign key is creating in how many table? Single table, where mapped by is not written. Where mapped by is not written at that class, right? At that class, the foreign key will be created. Now don't ask, sir, if we write both class mapped by. So बढ़िया laptop बंद कर दो. Now listen here. Now suppose if I done the mistake, questions I had written or any by my choice I had written, right? Suppose क्या लिख रहा तुम? आई चलो सलमान भाई. Suppose it. Now if we are written here a name by our own choice, right? By our own choice if I am giving. So what will happen? It is telling, see here, it is telling when we are going to run the program, right? See the exception, right? See the exception. It is telling Sallu bhai is not in the Hibernate. It is telling that only, na? Salman bhai does not exist in entity. Ana? So you cannot give by your own choice name. You should have to give, right? You should have to give the same name which is there as a reference variable. Then only the things can be matched. The interview question is, what is the use of mapped by? Where you will use mapped by, right? And tell me by using mapped by, what drawback or what advantage you will get. Bidirectional is also there, and mapped by will do what? Hide not. It will not create the foreign key in both the table. बहुत important है भाई ये. This you should have to do practicals. आज रहने दे. It's little bit tricky, guys, for you. Okay, we'll do one thing. Online people, you understood? Let me ask you the question. Everybody, let's see. Let me ask you the question. Okay, tell me, what is the use of one-to-one? What is the use of one-to-one? One-to-one will tell that one particular functionality have one support, right? Okay, the one-to-one can be one directional or bi-directional. Huh? Bi-direct. Both is there or not? Yes. Now tell me, okay. Now tell me, if I am writing one-to-one, what is the advantage I will get? Exact one support I will get from one particular resource. Right? One source have one destination, exact destination. Okay, now tell me, at the rate embeddable will work same as one-to-one? No, right? For making the relation, we should have to go for relational mapping, right? How many type of mappings are there? One-to-one, many-to-one, right? Right, exactly. Now understand here. Tomorrow will be the last day of Hibernate then. See here. Tomorrow what we are going to do, as we jump here, internally, right? I hope you are learning. It's not like you are suffering, right? First of all, release from your mind. Sir, you told Hibernate will be 7 days, 6 days only. You are taking 9 days because of your purpose, right? Now see here, right? Relational mapping here. Relational mapping. Now everybody understand. Bro, listen one thing. Spring Boot is nothing. Spring Boot kuch nahi. Spring Boot is just a way of doing programming and automation features. Spring Boot is not a concept. First of all, listen in your mind. When I will start Spring Boot, day 1, day 2 first programming only. Spring Core I had taken day 7 for a program, first program. Day 8 for a first program. But Spring Boot second day only the first program. Because there is nothing. Features are there. That's it. That's why relax with the Spring Boot. Spring Boot is more easy than your C language also. C language easy tha. C you had not studied, right? You had not studied C language, na? आज तुम लोग data structure पढ़ो आगे. In development purpose you are going to study data structure ना? Try करना एक बार बिना C language का. समझ आ जाएगा. Pointers use. Right? Chalo, let's see guys. But okay. You will learn it, don't worry. It's a very easy one, very easy one. Now, relational mapping is there, guys. Everybody concentrate. Now, relational mapping, we had completed with what? One-to-one. Everybody understand? We had completed what? One-to-one. Tomorrow, we are going to work with one-to-many and many-to-one, many-to-one, and many-to-many. A very simple one, guys. Now, you will understand. This is only the approach which I have to set in your mind. Many-to-many. Many-to-many is there. Right? Many-to-many is there. The next one, here only, I will show you that one more feature here, which is in the platform. Your platform or MCQ something will be there. MCQ platform. So tomorrow for sure, we are going to consider these terms, right? Very easy one. Don't worry about it, right? So do one thing, guys, right now. Take the image of this one, first of all. Online people, take the screenshot of this one. Immediate practice I need, immediate. Otherwise you will forget. And I will tell you how to practice. Just take it first. Right? Okay. The next one, answer is there as it is, yeah. Right? Just this thing is new. and there is no main method and something. Now table will be there. Let's take the table here. First take, wait, hold on, रुको, तुरंत जो screenshot हट जाता है, wait. This is for bidirectional. This is for bidirectional. Right? Now, this is for mapped by. This is for mapped by. This is for mapped by. Take this one. Do immediate practice, guys. Right? Do immediate practice and come. Okay? Chalo, fine. How many people are absent? उसको बोलो. अपने फ्रेंड को बोलना कल से नहीं आना. उसको, है ना? घर पे बैठ के पढ़े. Who are there next? You are regular. I'm saying you are regular. Definitely tell him not to come. Ask to the management about it. I will not allow him. और कौन है? दो तीन और है. I'm going to stop them from the classes because I don't need this type of activity. Right? Chalo, fine guys. I will check out. Online people, you understood? Right? Notes I will upload it. Don't worry about it. Last guys, everybody understood about one-to-one? Little bit complicated, guys. That's why I'm giving you the time for adjusting it. Because very important for data JP. Understand my process, right? Fine. You can leave, guys. Tomorrow we'll start the class on time, guys. 7:15, right? Thank you. In this map, which one hards are hard is nothing, Sanjay. Like this type of activity is there. There is no hard and easy way. These things. Fine. You can leave then, guys. Bye-bye.